A federal appeals court heard arguments today in a decades-old Amarillo murder case that could determine whether a woman's overturned conviction stands. Thank you for joining us. Clint is on leave. Fox 14's Blas Guerrero has more details on the legal arguments and what happens next. That story is first on Fox Tonight.
Holberg was convicted in 1998 for the murder of 80-year-old A.B. Towery Sr., who was found stabbed and beaten to death in his apartment in Amarillo in 1996. During the trial, Holberg testified she acted in self-defense, while prosecutors argued she killed Towery during a robbery. Much of today's arguments centered on testimony from a jail witness, Vicky Kirkpatrick, who told jurors Holberg admitted to the killing. Holberg's attorney argued jurors were never told Kirkpatrick was a paid police informant.
The prosecution never disclosed, and so the jury never heard, that Kirkpatrick was paid thousands of dollars as a paid police informant by the same department that procured her testimony against Holberg, or that those police knew that Kirkpatrick depended on their informant payments to feed her own drug habit.
The defense argued that testimony was critical, saying it was the only evidence that directly addressed intent, a key element needed to prove capital murder.
None of the other evidence goes directly to that, but Kirkpatrick does, because she testified that Holberg said to her, "I went there to get money, I asked him for money, he wouldn't give it to me, so I took it from him, and while taking it from him, I killed him."
State attorneys countered that even without that testimony, the jury's verdict and sentence were supported by other evidence presented at trial.
I think my friends on the other side, rightly at page 50 of their brief, said the brutality of the crime was enough to show future dangerousness.
The state also argued there was independent evidence supporting robbery and intent separate from the witness. Judges questioned both sides extensively before taking the case under submission. The court did not say when it will rule. The decision will determine whether Holberg's overturned conviction stands or the case will be sent back for further proceedings. Live in the studio, Blas Guerrero, Fox 14 News. Maya?
Blas, thank you. Her conviction was reversed in March of last year, and in May, the Texas Attorney General's office asked the appeals court to reconsider the case. A former Uvalde school police